Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
Welcome friends. Today we are going to do unboxing of Acer Aspire 5 model 51554Z model. I have brought this laptop today from the Flipkart and I got this at a discounted price of 34,000 rupees from you. So let's see whether it's a value of money at this price or not. So let's open the outer box of this laptop. Before that, I will tell you the short specification of this laptop. This laptop has i5 8th generation processor, 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD. It has Windows 10 Home operating system along with that 15.6 inches Full HD display. Detailed specification I will tell you during the course of this video. So I have just opened the outer cover. Now this is the inner cover of the laptop where you can see the label where the manufacturing date is written, what contains inside the box is written, the maximum retail price is written, that is 64,000 rupees, and the manufacturing date is July 2019. So you can see all these things. So it has written that what it contains. Now before opening the laptop you must check the seal, because that is the only authenticity that you have got the genuine item. So I am checking this item from all the four sides whether it has any sign of like the seal, whether the seal is open or not. So I have seen the seal is perfectly alright. Now I'm trying to open it. Now let's see. I have done lots of research before buying the laptop and I found that at this price point of 34,000 rupees it is worth buying this laptop. So now you can see the inside cover of this Acer laptop. Okay, now let's open it. Before that also you can see the same seal which was affixed outside in the outside cover, and the same specification and the details is mentioned here too. Here also you need to check the inner seal is to be perfect. Okay. So this laptop is very thin and light. You can just imagine its weight is just 1.8 kg. But only thing is that it is coming in only single color, that is silver, but it looks good. Okay, so I'm trying to open the laptop. Wow. So you can see on the top you can see the manuals. The manuals is required while installing initial setup of the laptop. You can see this charger, it comes in two parts. One is the wall socket and another is the charger which is to be connected the laptop and the wall charger. So you can see the rating. This is the in part, need to be connected with the laptop. Okay, so this is the hard disk upgrade kit. Since this laptop comes with the SSD, so you have a provision that you can upgrade it and you can install 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte of hard disk along with the laptop. So this laptop is upgradable. In fact, the RAM is also upgradable up to 16 GB. So it's a future proof. Okay, so I have now let's see the beautiful laptop. Wow, it's a very sleek. You can see the different ports. This is USB 2.0 port, and on the other side you can see the two USB 3.0 ports. Okay, and the charging connector. Okay, the Acer logo in the middle. Okay, so these are the things which I have received. How to submit it manual, so I will keep it aside. Now I will just try to open the lid. So as far as the specification is concerned, this laptop has the digital microphone, and the sound technology is based on the Acer True Harmony Plus technology. So here we have seen that I've tried to connect with the charging cable because it was not able to switch on. Let's switch on. Okay, now let's see what happens. Great. So now once it was switched on, after that you will be told to enter the language settings, and after that you need to set up a Microsoft account, and after setting up the Microsoft account you need to set up the Cortana, which comes with the Windows 10 as an inbuilt feature, and then you will be told to enter your administrator login name, password, and then the security questions. Security questions is necessary in case if you forget your password, you can recover your password using the security questions. So now I'm trying to do the initial setup of this laptop before I land on desktop. So I was talking about the multimedia feature of this laptop. This laptop has the 720 pixel SD camera as a webcam, and it has the stereo speakers. As far as the performance is concerned, this laptop runs on 1.6 GHz i5-8265U processor. It is an 8th generation processor. It has also a graphics memory of 2 GB, which is NVDIA GeForce MX250. It has the DDR4 RAM of 8 GB capacity. Also, this laptop comes with the LED display. The size of the display is 15.6 inch, and the display resolution is 1920 into 1080 pixels, and it is a full HD LED backlit anti-glare display. This laptop comes with the standard notebook keyboard, and it doesn't have any fingerprint scanner, and also it doesn't have any optical drive. This laptop has also a feature of 180-degree turning. You can see that. Now I'm trying to add the security questions, as you can see on the screen, as a part of initial setup of this laptop. I'm entering the password. So I was telling about the specification of this laptop. This is a 64-bit processor laptop. Its weight is 1.8 kg. It comes with the Windows 10 Home Basic, and it only comes in a single color, that is a pure silver. So it looks good in a silver color. Okay, so I'm trying to set up the pin. On the networking side, it comes with the wireless LAN, that is 802.11, and Bluetooth. It has the Bluetooth 5.0 or 4.2, my mistake. This laptop comes with the SSD of 512 GB. So for the daily use is more than enough, but if you want to add an extra space in your laptop, you can upgrade it up to your requirement. They have given you the hardware, this hard disk upgrade kit, but I will suggest you that you don't do by your own, otherwise you provide your warranty, you go to service center and they will do the needful. So now I'm choosing the privacy settings for my laptop. So by default, actually you will see the many options here: location settings, then advertisement ID, and many more things. But these things are not required except the diagnostic data. So I have only put on the two features and I have clicked on the next button. Now here again is final welcome message before the desktop appears on the screen. So now I'm clicking the next button. Okay, in the meantime I will tell you that this laptop has the awesome backup of 6 to 7 hours, though the company claims that it gives you the backup of 9 hours, and it has a 4-cell battery, that is a Li-ion battery. Okay, along with that here you will get the microphone jack, and then headphone jack, then you will get the 2 USB 3.0 jack and 1 USB 2.0 jack. This laptop comes with a 1-year carry-in warranty, and if you want to extend the warranty you need to pay about 4,700 rupees that I have confirmed from the hassle just now. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I have landed on the desktop. So as far as the capacity, you can see here, out of 512 GB of hard disk space, it is only showing 476 GB. Out of that, only 445 GB of space is available for users use. So this is the desktop. Here you can see now. Most of the people were complaining about sound quality is very poor. So for that, just have glanced at how the sound quality is. I found it not bad. Neither is good, not bad. Okay. So this is your laptop, and this is all about the unboxing of this laptop. So I hope you have liked the unboxing of this laptop, and we are waiting for your expert comments.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.